Hi, my name is Gene. I work with TechSource Systems. I own a little company called Suntorr. I do engineering and sales for TechSource Systems, commercial freeze dryers, industrial size. And I thought I would just give you a quick introduction so that I didn't have to put it all in an email, because emails, they can get kind of hard and dull to read. So I'm an engineer. I come to the lyophilization / freeze drying industry from the physics and engineering side. I think it's kind of an awesome process, keeping things frozen while you're pumping all this heat in to dry it. So the thing is, when I started looking at freeze drying, about 7 years ago or so, there just wasn't a lot of good information out there. So I thought I would do something to fix that. So about a year ago, maybe a little bit more, I started a YouTube channel. You should check it out. It's a free resource. It is an educational channel. It's got, 35 videos on there. It's got things about how freeze drying works, how to maintain your equipment, problems that you might have with your process recipe development. And by recipe, I mean the series of steps that your system goes through to get finished with the drying process. So some of them are pretty detailed. Some of them are more direct and to the point so that you don't fall asleep while you're watching. So check it out. It's all free, and you can just find it. You can find my channel anytime by going to YouTube and just typing in Suntorr, Suntorr. People who buy freeze dryers from TechSource get access to me for free. Well, what is that worth? Well, I help customers all the time with tweaking, developing, optimizing their process recipes to get the maximum amount of production out of their machine while completely leaving quality intact, or maybe even improving quality. Sometimes there's issues with certain products that you might want to make, like concentrated coffees or purees or certain fruits that don't like to be freeze dried, or maybe you're losing some of the flavors. These are all things that I deal with customers all the time. So you get me for free, and I can answer almost any question that's freeze dryer related with regard to the physics, the engineering, much of the business. I don't have that much product specific experience because I don't make products. I help TechSource with their machines, but I do know, a few things from stuff that I've seen out in the field. So again, you just get that for free anytime you buy a system from TechSource. So there's no charge or anything. It's just all gratis. Just give me a call or send me an email.